Hosta Avocado, your guide to the lush, low-maintenance shade dweller. Hi, Ferbvu here. I'm a gardener with a passion for shade-loving plants, and the Hosta Avocado is one that consistently steals the show. Let's delve into this beauty, answering all your burning questions and comparing it to its close relative, the Hosta guacamole. See more 31 species in genus Hosta at monsteraholic.com. What is a Hosta avocado? The Hosta avocado is a stunning perennial belonging to the genus Hosta. Renowned for its bold foliage, it boasts a captivating combination of chartreuse and green hues. The leaves emerge a uniform green in spring, transforming into a delightful display of broad, glossy margins in a rich, dark green by mid-June. This vigorous grower matures to a handsome size, reaching a height of 24 inches and a spread of 48 inches, creating a substantial mound of lush greenery. But its beauty extends beyond its impressive size. The Hosta avocado is a fragrant hosta, offering a delicate sweetness to your garden during the summer months. Sun or shade? The Hosta avocado's happy place. Unlike many shade-loving plants, the Hosta avocado exhibits a surprising degree of sun tolerance. While it thrives in dappled shade or full shade, it can handle some morning sun or filtered sunlight throughout the day. This adaptability makes it a versatile choice for various garden locations. However, it's important to note that intense afternoon sun, particularly in hot climates, can scorch the leaves. Aim for a balance. Dappled shade or areas with morning sun followed by afternoon shade are ideal. How to plant and care for Hosta avocado. The Hosta avocado is a gardener's dream when it comes to care. Here's what you need to know. Planting. Plant your Hosta avocado in the spring or fall. Choose a location with well-drained soil rich in organic matter. Watering. Keep the soil consistently moist, especially during the first growing season. As the plant matures, it becomes more drought-tolerant. Fertilizing. A light application of balanced fertilizer in the spring is sufficient. Pruning. Remove spent flowers to encourage additional blooms and maintain a tidy appearance. You can also remove any damaged or diseased leaves as needed. Remember, the Hosta avocado is a low-maintenance plant. Focus on providing the right environment and basic care, and it will reward you with years of vibrant foliage and delicate fragrance. Hosta avocado versus Hosta guacamole. Sibling rivalry? The Hosta avocado is often compared to its close relative, the Hosta guacamole. Both are stunning shade-loving perennials with fragrant flowers. However, there are some key differences. Leaf variegation. The Hosta avocado has a wider margin of dark green compared to the Hosta guacamole, which features a narrower margin. This gives the avocado a bolder, more contrasting appearance. Sun tolerance. The Hosta avocado exhibits a slightly higher tolerance for sun than the Hosta guacamole, which thrives best in full shade. Ultimately, the choice between these two beauties depends on your personal preference and garden conditions. If you desire a bolder look with some sun tolerance, the Hosta avocado shines. If you have a full shade location and prefer a subtler variegation, the Hosta guacamole might be your perfect match. Here's a table summarizing the key differences. Feature Hosta avocado. Hosta guacamole leaf margin wide, dark green narrower, dark green sun tolerance more tolerant prefers full shade overall look bolder, contrasting subtler variegation. Beyond the basics, diseases and pests to watch out for. While the Hosta avocado is a relatively disease-resistant plant, there are a few potential threats to keep an eye on. Slugs and snails. These slimy creatures love to munch on hostas. Use organic slug and snail bait or create physical barriers like copper tape around your plants. Hosta leaf spot. This fungal disease causes small, brown spots on the leaves. Improve air circulation and remove affected leaves to prevent further spread. Early detection and intervention are key to keeping your Hosta avocado healthy and thriving. Conclusion. The Hosta avocado, a shade garden gem. The Hosta avocado is a captivating addition to any shade garden. Its bold foliage, fragrant blooms, and easygoing nature make it a winner. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, this low-maintenance beauty is sure to add a touch of lush elegance to your outdoor space.